Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. This is session 73.3, and we're continuing working on just recording ambient loops that aren't synced to anything and kind of letting them evolve in their own way. It's requiring thinking about a few things, and I'm kind of trying to make sure I learn a few things as I go through, but we're going to take this new patch I've got on the OP1 setup, and we're just going to kind of keep playing, and we'll let it sit where it sits and enjoy itself on its little voyage in the ambient space. That's probably enough just for that little thing. Again, we're not trying to play to any kind of metronome or anything else. Just have something that kind of has that extra silence and space so that when it plays, it's a little bit more of a surprise or adds like a little bit more to it. I have to keep reminding myself to turn MFX on for bus 2. We're only using bus 2 right now, but any of these green pads will need that. Oh, and this one also needs to be set to green, I think. No, it doesn't. Whoopsie daisies. I'm hitting bus FX to go back. Set that to 1. So we can start with these. We'll mix it up. Oh, gate and loop on, gate off, loop on. I kind of imagine this as something that you can just, as I'm doing it, if you're trying to play some performance, you can kind of pull things in and out as you like. So I don't think it terribly matters what we put in. In fact, you could probably put more silence in the beginning if you wanted to have like something take a long time to build up to it so that it doesn't just start playing the sound when you trigger it. But it seems to work quite nicely so far. So we can maybe even go up again. Maybe just kind of do another one. We'll go up and do another up and down. We got weight. Give it some space. Give it some more space. Maybe that's enough. And yeah, now we can even like play this. This one you gate off, loop on, gate off, loop on again. Just gonna drop these in. So maybe we don't need all those fancy parameter lock effects to still kind of get something interesting going on here. It just requires some more manual work. This might only work really well for more ambient kind of stuff, but it seems to be working and doing kind of what I wanted. Because we can, if you know what's playing on these and you know it's not playing, you can kind of cut these things out too, where you have like that big extended silence. I feel like we need more background pads, maybe. What do we got here that we can do something like that? We'll do one more. Maybe this one will work. Move it lower. Let it fade out. Maybe it won't. That should be enough. Gate loop. Probably would need to think about how I would want to organize these things as well, because I might say, like, I want up top, I want these like more sustained background pads or drones, and then have like the more melodic things coming in and out in different sections. Not sure. Have to think about it. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. Just say thanks for stopping by. Keep making music. Keep having fun. Remember, if it sounds good, it is good. And peace.